everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Claire and I put out videos about luxury bags and accessories, so if that's your thing, please click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and you'll know when I upload a new video. I've been out of action for a couple of weeks because I got the dreaded COVID, and then my husband got it, and then my son got it, so the household has been pretty miserable and poorly over the last few weeks. It's not nice. We managed to avoid it for 2 years and then it hit us all in one go. So yeah, not very nice. But I'm feeling a little bit better now and having to catch up on all my work. So yeah, but you might say today I'm a bit late to the party with this unboxing because it's from the Fendace collection, and obviously the Fendace collection came out on May the 12th. However, I did actually order this item on May the 12th, but I've only just received this today, and we are around about the 30th of May at the moment. I'm filming this on the 30th. I have only just received it today, and there is a small story behind it, but let's get into what I actually bought from the Fendace collection. So as you can see, it comes in the bag, in the packaging, which is really beautiful. Very impressed with the Fendace packaging. Got the ribbon around the top there. Now, supposedly Fendace, YouTube seems to want to tell you what to think at the moment, tells you should either love it or hate it. Well, I don't know about that, but I love Fendace. I do like the collection. There's some pieces I'm not so keen on, but there are some pieces that are absolutely beautiful. And had I not just splurged on my Chanel mini reissue, then there is a possibility I would have bought a few other pieces from the collection. However, this is what I got. It comes in this lovely box. Now, this was something I did really want, and I was hoping that something like this would be in the collection. So I was very thrilled that it was. This actual piece comes from the men's collection, and I actually have two people to kind of thank for this, because on the day the collection was launched, I got the email and I was there frantically scrolling through my phone trying to find something like this. But I was in the women's collection and I couldn't really find kind of what I wanted. And then a little bit later I saw Dale uploaded an Instagram reel, and she was talking about some of the things in the Fendace collection, and she said check out the men's collection because there's some really cool items. And I thought, do you know what, I hadn't even thought of that. Went onto my phone, looked at the men's collection, and this was in the men's collection, and it was exactly what I wanted. So thank you for that, Dale, if you're watching. And the other person I need to thank for this is Gwenny from Styled by Gwenny, and I'll explain that in a moment. So here we go, there's the box. It's comes in its little dust bag. In the rest of the box is just some tags. What I should say actually, must be in the box, oh yeah, the Fendace collection, certainly ordered online, came with this little pouch, and it had, which I've now dropped on the floor, some stickers. So you kind of had little FF stickers and the Fendace. Now I ordered this from Fendi, so I don't know if you got stickers if you ordered anything from the Versace side of the swap. Obviously not a collaboration, it's a swap. So what I actually got is in this little dust bag. So here we go, and that's what I purchased from the Fendace collection. Now, I don't know if you can see that, it's the card holder, obviously got the Fendi print on the back and then overlaid with the Baroque print from Versace. It's got 3 slots either side and a middle slot, and this is why I have Gwenny to thank. I have the Louis Vuitton card holder, and I believe Gwenny has this as well. I'm finding at the moment, with going out a little bit more, that this is just not taking as many cards as I need it to. When I just used to have to just pop to the post office or pop to the shop, I literally just had to take 1 credit card and that was it. But now I'm going out more and for longer, I find that I need a couple of credit cards. I need one, you know, as a spare. I need my cash card. I need a couple of loyalty cards that I've got, some store cards, things like that. And so I'm finding that if I put them all in here, it's stretching it out too much, and I don't want to do that. So when I saw Gwenny unbox the Fendi version of this, obviously not the Fendace one, but just the normal Fendi one, a little while ago, and she was showing it on her channel. She unboxed it, she put her cards in it straight away, and she said it's just, you know, got more capacity than her Louis Vuitton one, which she was worried about stretching out. And I thought to myself, I kind of need something like that with more card slots, really. So I sat on it, didn't do anything about it. Then I remembered the Fendace collection was coming. I thought, well, I wonder if they're going to do one of these in Fendace or something like it, a card holder that's got more slots. And as I say, scrolling through the men's collection, I found this. So I'm really, really thrilled. Now, the story behind it, why I'm only unboxing today, why it's only arrived today, is that I did order it on the day it was released. Fendi were brilliant. I mean, they dispatched it the next day. So it was released on the Thursday, they dispatched it on the Friday, and it arrived on the Monday. By then I was quite sick with COVID, so I literally just tore the box open, had a quick look, thought, yeah, it's in there fine, and I put it to one side. I'll look at it more, you know, when I am feeling better. I was quite excited to see that it came in the bag, I mean, with all the nice packaging, because I wasn't expecting that, but I just didn't really have a chance to look at it. A little while later, a few days later, I thought, right, I better have a look. I got it out and had a look, and I sort of saw on one side of the holder there was like these white marks, and I thought, oh, you know, I don't quite understand what that is. So I looked at it sort of in daylight and realised that it was a defect. The canvas hadn't quite got the print on it properly, and so there were these white marks on there that, you know, wouldn't come off. They were actually where the canvas hadn't printed. So just sort of in this area. Now what I'll do is I'll pop some pictures up here, because these are the pictures I then sent to Fendi. I straight away put in to return it and to reorder one, and I spoke to Fendi about it, and I sent them the photos, and they were absolutely fine. Yes, no problem at all. So when I did reorder, although the system allowed me to reorder it and it said it was in stock, it was actually out of stock in Italy. So they managed to find one for me in a Spanish boutique. It was transferred to Italy, and then it was sent to me. So it actually took a week to get to me. So that's why I've only just received it this morning. Unboxing it with you here, I can see that it is, you know, fine. There's absolutely no issues with this one at all. Show you another close-up. So yes, I'm actually really happy now that I've got my non-defective Fendace card holder. If I had the money, I would have bought quite a few other pieces from this collection. I really like it. There's still quite a few pieces online available, so I might have to check out the finances, and if I've got a little bit of money left over this month, I might get myself something else. I don't know, I'll see. But for the minute, I am really happy to have at least one piece from the collection, and it's something that I want, and I know that I'm going to use, because I know that I need a card holder with this many slots in it at the moment. So yeah, so really pleased with that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please let me know in the comments down below if you got anything from Fendace. We've seen quite a few unboxings on YouTube, some really cool stuff that people have got. So I'd be really interested to see if you got anything. And thanks ever so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye everyone.